Good morning, dear students. Welcome to a continued part of Nayakas, Palegaras, and Nadaprabhu. Okay, so in the last class, I have taught you about the Nayakas of Kiradi. Yes, so in this class, I am going to explain about the Nayakas of Chitradurga. Yes, so let's see the Nayakas of Chitradurga. The Nayakas of Chitradurga, they have prominent place in the Karnataka history. Yes, and they ruled as chieftains from 16th to 18th century. Yes, so Nayakas of Chitradurga, they have very important place in the Karnataka's history, and also they have ruled as a chieftains from 16th to 18th century. Yes, and the 13 chieftains ruled this province for about 211 years. Yes, so between 211 years there were 13 chieftains ruled this province. Yes, so among them Madhya Nayak, who ruled from 1568 to 1589 common era, and he was the first king of this Palepattu. Yes, and Kasturi Rangappa Nayaka first, he also ruled from 1603 to 1652 common era, and then after Kasturi Chikkanna Nayaka, he also ruled from 1675 to 1686 common era. Yes, and Bichugatti Baramanna Nayak, yes, he ruled from 1681 to 1721, and lastly Hire Madakari Nayaka, yes, who ruled from 1721 till 1749. So these are some famous kings of the Chitradurgas. Yes, so among them, let's see Rajvira Madakari Nayaka. Yes, so he is Rajvir Madakari Nayaka, who ruled from 1754 to 1779 common era. Yes, so Rajvira Madakari Nayaka, he is the most powerful and popular among the Nayakas of Chitradurga. Yes, he is very important person among all the Nayakas of Chitradurga, and he ascended the throne at the age of 12 years. Yes, that is, he took the power when he was 12 years old, and he helped Hyder Ali several times during wars. Yes, so Rajvir Madakari Nayaka, who had helped Hyder Ali several times during the wars. Yes, and but Hyder Ali became jealous of the valor of Madakari Nayaka. Yes, so Madakari Nayaka, he is very important king and he is very brave. He occupied so many regions, and that's why Hyder Ali cannot tolerate this. Yes, and in order to suppress him, Hyder Ali besieged the 7-ringed fort of Chitradurga. Yes, so Rajvira Madakari Nayaka, he is very brave, and the Hyder Ali, he became jealous. Yes, and in order to suppress him, so Hyder Ali, he besieged the 7-ringed fort of Chitradurga, but it was an impossible task to occupy such an invincible fort. Yes, the fort of Chitradurga, it is very complex fort, so it is not very that is, it was an impossible task to occupy Hyder Ali. Yes, and the soldiers of Hyder Ali tried to enter the fort after knowing the secret entrance and in the absence of the watchmen. Yes, the soldiers of Hyder Ali, they have tried to enter the fort when the watchmen were absent. Yes, and at that time Obawa, yes, she was the wife of watchman, she killed the enemies with her wooden pestle, that is onke. Yes, so in the previous class there was an video that is I have showed. Yes, sorry, that video is in the 6th standard. Okay, so you can search the Onke Obawas and you can get the information of Obawa. Yes, there are so many videos that is related to the Onke Obawa. Yes, and Onke Obawa, she was a very brave woman, and she killed enemies with her wooden pestle. Yes, with one hand. Yes, so there were so many soldiers of Hyder Ali. They have entered in the fort by the secret entrance. Yes, and that secret passage is present in the fort of Chitradurga, and that is known as Obavana Kindi. Yes, so the soldiers of Hyder Ali, they have entered by that route, and that passage is also known as Obavana Kindi. Yes, so Hyder Ali was not prepared to accept defeat. Yes, and he besieged the fort once again. Yes, so Onke Obawa, he controlled all she controlled all soldiers of Hyder Ali. In that time, Hyder Ali defeated, but Hyder Ali was not prepared to accept this defeat, and he besieged the fort once again. Yes, and Madhukari Nayaka was defeated in the fierce war. Yes, so next, when Hyder Ali took war against the Madhukari Nayaka, so in that war, Madhukari Nayaka was defeated in this war, and the dynastic rule of chieftains of Chitradurga province ended with the rule of Madhukari Nayaka. Yes, so Hyder Ali lastly he defeated to the Madhukari Nayaka. Yes, so by that battle, the dynasty's rule of chieftains of Chitradurga province, it ended with the rule of Madhukari Nayaka. Yes, and the Chitradurga is an attractive hill fort consisting of 7 encircled forts. Yes. So that's why Chitradurga, it is known as the Kotegala Nagari. Yes, that is the fort city. Yes, so there is very attractive hill forts that has consisting 7 encircled forts, and there are several temples and tanks inside it. Yes, there are so many temples and there are so many tanks inside that fort, and the Nayakas of Chitradurga built several temples. Yes, as I have told you already, there were so many kings or Nayakas were there, and they have built several temples in the fort. And the Baramasagara and the Bhim Samudra tanks are their contributions. Yes, there are 2 tanks, namely they are Baramasagara and Bhima Samudra. These are the 2 important tanks, and these are the contributions of the kings or the Nayakas of Chitradurga. And the Nayakas of Chitradurga are known for their bravery and valor. Yes, so this is all about the Nayakas of Chitradurga. Yes, so Nayakas of Chitradurga, they have very prominent place in the Karnataka history, as we know. Yes, and they ruled as chieftains from 16th to 18th century. Yes, so between 211 years, the 13 chieftains were ruled this province, that is the Chitradurga province. So there were so many important kings are there, like Mati Timmana Nayak, who was the first king of the Chitradurga, and Kasturi Rangappa Nayak is there. Yes, Kasturi Chikkanna Nayak is there, and Bichugatti Bharmana Nayak is there, and Hire Madhukari Nayaka is there, and Rajvira Madhukari Nayaka is there. Okay, so these are the important Nayakas of Chitradurga. So I hope all of you understood this, and in the next class we will explain the next topic, that is the Nayakas of Sirpuru. So there is one video that is related to the Nayakas of Chitradurga. Watch that video. Thank you for watching.
The Nayaks of Chitradurga. The Nayaks or Palayagars were minor chieftains who paid tributes during the period of the Vijayanagar Empire. The small territories under the Nayaks were called as the Palayapattu. The Nayaks of Keladi and Chitradurga are well known in Karnataka history. In this module, you will learn about the administration and achievements of the Nayaks of Chitradurg. The Nayaks of Chitradurg ruled as Palayagars from the 16th to the 18th centuries. They ruled as feudatory chieftains in parts of eastern Karnataka. After the decline of the Vijayanagar Empire, they declared their suzerainty and made Chitradurg their capital. A massive fort was built in this capital by one of its great rulers, Madakari Nayaka. Later, during the British rule in India, the territories under the Nayaks of Chitradurg were merged into the kingdom of Mysore. Madakari Nayak, also called as Madakari Nayak V, was known as the most powerful and famous ruler of Chitradurg. Madakari Nayak was only 12 years old when he ascended the throne. He assisted Hyder Ali in many battles, but Hyder Ali was jealous of his bravery. Hyder Ali attempted to lay siege to the fort of Chitradurg, but he failed to take possession of the hill fort due to task of getting through the 7 concentric walls, built as defensive structures around it. Later, Hyder Ali's soldiers discovered a secret path to enter into the fort. But a watchguard's wife known as Onake Ubava heard the muffled sound of the enemy soldiers. She bravely killed the soldiers one by one using a large unake or pestle. This secret path through which Hyder Ali's soldiers crept out is called Onake Ubbavana Kindi. Hyder Ali again laid siege to the Chitradurg fort in 1779 AD. Later, Madakari Nayak was defeated by Hyder Ali, imprisoned and killed. This defeat ended the rule of Nayaks of Chitradurg. Let us now recap all the important points that we have covered in this module on the Nayaks of Chitradurg.